Good noon, everyone. Today discuss about mass transfer person 2, unit number 5, adsorption and ion exchange. In a previous section for a discussion part, for a definition and also introduction part. And the next topic is the types of adsorption. In two types છે એને આપણે ડિટેલમાં ડિસ્કસ કરીશું. So first of all the physical adsorption and second one is the chemisorption. ઓકે મેઇન થિયરિકલ કોન્સેપ્ટ છે એ આપણે ડિટેલમાં જવાનું છે. પ્રીવિયસ લેક્ચરમાં આપણે એના ડેફિનેશન્સ જોઈ ગયા હતા. ધ વોટ ઇઝ એડઝોપ્શન અને સમ એપ્લિકેશન્સ પાર્ટ ફોર એડઝોપ્શન. ઓકે તો સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ. ટાઈપ્સ ઓફ એડઝોપ્શન. We must distinguish at the start between two types of adsorption phenomena, physical and chemical. This one, physical and chemical. હવે ફિઝિકલી ઇફેક્ટ શું થાય અને કેમિકલ ઇફેક્ટ શું થાય તે આપણે ડિટેલમાં જોવાના છે. ફિઝિકલ એડઝોપ્શન or van der Waals adsorption, radially reversible phenomena, is the result to intermolecular force of attraction between the molecules of the solid and substance absorbed when the intermolecular attractive forces between a solid and a gas are greater than those existing between the molecules also of the gas itself. The gas will condense upon the surface of the solid even though its pressure may be lower than the vapor's pressure corresponding the prevailing temperature. Such a condensation will be accompanied by evolution of heat is amount usually somewhat for larger than this latent heat of vaporization also. Simply જે ફિઝિકલ એડઝોપ્શન છે એને કહેવાય વન ટાઈપ ઓફ વાન ડર વાલ્સ એડઝોપ્શન. ઓકે જે રેડિયલી રિવર્સિબલ ફિનોમિના છે ઇઝ ધ રિઝલ્ટ ઓફ ઇન્ટરમોલિક્યુલર ફોર્સ ઓફ એટ્રેક્શન પાર્ટ between some molecules of a solid and substances absorbed. When for the any example intermolecular attractive forces between the solid and gas are greater than those existing between the molecules of the gas itself, the gas will be condensed upon the interface of the solid even through the pressures may be lower than the vapor pressure corresponding the prevailing temperature also. ઓકે સિમ્પલી એડઝોપ્શન કોને કહેવાય તે બી તમારે યાદ રાખવાનું રહેશે, જે એક વન ટાઈપ ઓફ સરફેસની ફિનોમિના છે. ઓકે સિમ્પલી એક એક્ઝામ્પલ કીધું છે એના માટે કે ઇન્ટરમોલિક્યુલર એટ્રેક્ટિવ ફોર્સીસ છે એના between regarding a solid and a gas are greater than those existing between the molecules of the gas itself. The gas will be condensed upon the surface of the solid even though its pressure may be lower than the vapor pressure also corresponding the prevailing temperature. Such a condensation will be accompanied by the evolution of heat in amount of usually somewhat larger than the latent heat of vaporization also, and of this order of the heat of sublimations of the gas. The adsorbed substances does not penetrate within the crystalline of the solid and does not dissolve it but remain entirely upon these surfaces. Okay, entirely for the surfaces. Simply જે the adsorbed substance છે એ does not penetrate, જે અંદર પ્રવેશ નહીં કરી શકે ઉપરના સરફેસ પર. સિમ્પલી તમને જે પ્રમાણે એક્ઝામ્પલ કીધું ને, સબસ્ટન્સ છે આ ઉપરના ભાગમાં જ રહેશે, જે અંદર પ્રવેશ કરશે નહીં. બરાબર. The adsorbed substance does not penetrate with the crystal lattice of the solid and does not dissolve in it but remain entirely upon the surface also. Okay, if however this solid and highly porous materials are containing many fine capillaries. ઓકે સિમ્પલી કેપિલરી ટ્યુબ આવે જે આપણે વેટેડ વોલ કોલમમાં લગભગ જોઈ ગયા છે. ઓકે ધ એડઝોર્બ્ડ substances of concave a liquid surface of very small radius of curvature in a lower than that of a large flat surface, and the extent of adsorption is correspondingly increased. In any case, at equilibrium and the partial pressure of the adsorb, any substance is equal that contacting gas phase, and by lowering the pressure of the gas phase also by rising the temperature, the adsorbed gas is radially removed or dissolved in this unchanged form. For industrially adsorption part, any operations of the type of will should for any consider depend on the reversibility of recovery of the any adsorbent part for the reuse for a recovery substances of the adsorb also. Okay, the substances are for the fractionation of mixtures. The reversible adsorption is not confined to gas but is observed with the liquid as well as. Okay. This is simply discussion part for a physical adsorption. How to the work. ઓકે આગળના પાર્ટમાં આપણે જોઈએ તો સિમ્પલી ડેફિનેશન્સ પાર્ટ છે. વોટ ઇઝ ધ ડેફિનેશન પાર્ટ ઇઝ ધેર. The adsorption operation exploit the ability of any certain solids preferentially to concentrate specific substances from a solution onto their surfaces. If this manner, the component of either gaseous or liquid solution can be separated from each other. Okay, this is the main definition part. This one to this one. Again repeated. The what is the adsorption? The adsorption operation exploit the ability of certain solid preferentially to concentrate specific substance from a solution onto their surfaces. In this manner, the component of either gaseous or a liquid solutions can be separated from this each other. Okay, simply an example જોઈએ તો આપણે કે general nature of these separation possibilities of the same demonstrate for varieties of these practical applications ના બેસિસ પર હોઈ શકે. ઓકે એની બાબતમાં આપણે ફર્સ્ટ જોયું કે physical adsorptions, the how to work for a van der Waals adsorptions, a radially reversible phenomena. It is the result of intermolecular force of attraction between the molecules of the solid and the substance adsorbed when, for example, intermolecular attractive molecules. Okay, simply this is a discussion part for a physical adsorption. Okay. Therefore, simply vaporization and of the order of the heat of sublimations of the gas. The adsorbed substance does not penetrate જે અંદર પ્રવેશ કરશે નહીં. Within the crystal lattice of the solid, and solid is highly porous, containing of many fine capillaries. The adsorbed substances will be conceived liquid surface of very small radius, and curvature is lower than that large flat surface, and the extent of adsorption is correspondingly increase એમાં વધારો થશે. ઓકે, અને કોઈ બી કેસમાં equilibrium is a partial pressure. This one is a partial pressure of the adsorbed substances equally that the contacting gas phase, and by lowering the pressure of the gas phase or by raising the temperature, and the adsorbed gas is radially removed or dissolved in unchanged from industrial adsorption. Any operations of the type as well as considered depend upon this reversibility for a recovery of the adsorbent, for a reuse for recovery of the adsorbed અને કોઈ બી સબસ્ટન્સ માટે જોઈએ, for the fractionation of the mixtures also. The reversible adsorption is not confined to the gases but is observed with liquid as well as. This is a part for a physical absorption. હવે જોઈશું આપણે કેમિઝ ઓપ્શન્સ. કેમિઝ ઓપ્શન્સ or activated adsorption is a result or chemical insulations between the solid and adsorbed substance માટે is the result of chemical insulation between the solid and adsorbed substances. The strength of the chemical bond may be vary considerably, and identify the chemical compound is the usual sense, maybe not actually from but adhesive form. Adhesive force છે. Is generally chemisorptions is usually large of the order of the heat of chemical reaction also. The process is frequently irreversible, and on the desorption the original substances will often be found to have undergone a chemical changes. The same substance which is undergoes for this formation basis પર જોઈશું આપણે conditions of a low temperature. Okay, ઓછા ટેમ્પરેચર પર આપ્યું છે આપણને. Will undergo substantially only physical adsorption upon a solid will sometimes exhibit chemisorptions at a higher temperature માટે, અને both phenomena many occurs at the same time. Chemisorptions is if one of particular importance in catalysis but will not be considered here. Okay, this is a simple discussion part for a chemical system. Again repeated, condition of a low temperature per se will undergo substantially only physical adsorption upon a solid will sometimes exhibits chemisorption is a higher temperature na basis par છે. Both phenomena may occurs at some times. Chemisorption of particular importance in a catalysis but will not be considered here. Okay, now this revision part is their completed part. Again, chemisorptions or activated adsorption is the result of chemical insulation part between the solid and a gas adsorbed na basis પર છે. Substance strength જે surface પર ના basis પર હોય. For a chemical bond may be vary considerably, and identifiable chemical compound in the usual sense may be not actually formed, but this adhesive force is generally much greater than the found in a physical adsorption. The heat liberated during this chemisorption is usually large of the order of the heat of chemical reaction also, and the process is frequently irreversible, and one desorptions the original substances will often be found to have undergone a chemical changes the same substances which under this formation by for a low temperature and a substantially only physical adsorption upon a solid will sometimes exhibit chemisorption at a higher temperature also, and both phenomena may be occurs at the same time, and a chemisorption is of particular importance in a catalyst will be not be considered is here. Okay, next lecture में जो सब है nature of adsorbent. Thank you so much.